Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can check your promotion on Betfair app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account in Betfair and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of Betfair apps on screen, where you can see profile icon at top right corner. Just tap over there, and now you'll be redirected to another section where you can see promotion section, and don't forget you'll find the my promotion option just down below it. Just tap over there, and now finally you'll be redirected to the official my promotion section, where you can check your promotion over here. So basically this is how you can view promotion on Betfair app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.